Next factor affecting the budget set or budget line, that is changes in the prices of good 1 and good 2. Here we can take the first one, changes in the price of good 1. There are two types of changes, that is increase in price and decrease in price. At that time, the horizontal intercept pivots around the y-axis. What is the reason behind that? Here, the income of the consumer is fixed and the price of good one increases. At that time, the consumer can purchase only less units of the first commodity. As a result, the horizontal intercept will pivot around the y-axis. Okay, here we can check this by using a diagram. Here, income is M, price of the first commodity, that is P1 here in the first case. Price of the second commodity, that is P2 here. Then the initial horizontal intercept, that is M by P1, and the initial vertical intercept, that is M by P2 here. Okay, then we can see here increase in the price of good 1. Here M, there is no change. P1 will change to P1 dash. There is no change in the price of good 2, so here same P2. Then the horizontal intercept, that will change from M by P1 to M by P1 dash. There is no change in vertical intercept because there is no change in income or M, or there is no change in the price of good 2. So here same M by P2. Then we can draw the budget line here. Okay. Then first the initial horizontal intercept, that is M by P1. Yeah. Vertical intercept, that is M by P2. Yeah. While joining these points, we will get a line that is known as budget line here. This budget line represents the equation P1 x1 plus P2 x2 is equal to M. Then here price of the good one, that is increasing from P1 to P1 dash. At that time, the new horizontal intercept, that is M by P1 dash, that will pivot around the y-axis as M by P1 dash. Here, this horizontal intercept pivots around y-axis. Why? Here, there is no change in the income of the consumer and the price of the good 2. At the same time, the price of good 1 increases. So, the consumer can purchase only less units of good 1. Okay. So, here horizontal intercept pivots to or pivots around the y-axis. Then we can see here there is no change in vertical intercept. Why? There is no change in the income of the consumer, that is M, and there is no change in the price of the good 2. So M by P2, that is same here. Then M by P1 dash is here, M by P2, that is here, horizontal intercept and vertical intercept. Then we can join these points, then we will get the new budget line. So here we can see due to increase in the price of good 1, the budget line pivots around the y-axis. That is the result here. Then we can take one example. Suppose here income of the consumer, that is 20. Price of the commodity, price of the good 1, that is suppose 5. Price of the second commodity or good 2, that also will be 5. Then horizontal intercept M by P1, that is 20 by 5 is equal to 4. Vertical intercept M by P2, that is 20 by 5, that is 4. Then we can see here when price increases, there is change in the horizontal intercept. Here also income is 20. P1 increases from 5 to 10. At that time P1 dash is 10. P2, there is no change in P2, that is 5. Then we can find out the horizontal intercept M by P2 M by P1 dash. And what is M by P1 dash? M, there is no change in M, that is 20. P1 dash, P1 that is 5. When the price of good 1 increases, P1 dash, that will become 10. Then 20 by 10, our new horizontal intercept, that is 2. There is no change in vertical intercept. M is 20, P2 that is 5. So here M by P2 vertical intercept remains as the same. Okay, then we can draw a diagram here. Good 1, good 1, here good 2 or mangoes. Okay, then we can mark here points 1, 2. Then first we can draw our initial budget line. Here horizontal intercept M by P1, that is 20 by 5, that is 4. So we can plot this point here 4. Vertical intercept M by P2, M is 20, P2 5, 20 by 5, that is 4. Then we can mark here. By joining these points, we will get a line here, initial budget line. This budget line represents the equation 5x1 plus 5x2, that is equal to 20. Then okay, when price increases from, when price of good one increases from 5 to 10, at that time horizontal intercept m by new price, that is P1 dash, m 20, new price of the good one, that is P1 dash 10, 20 by 10 2. Then new horizontal intercept, that is 2. Then vertical intercept, there is no change in vertical intercept. Why? There is no change in m and the price of the good 2. So 20 by 5, that is 4. The same point here. Then we can join these points 2, 4. Then this is our new budget line. This budget line represents 10x1 plus 5x2 is equal to 20. Then due to increase in the price of good one, the budget line or horizontal intercept pivot around y axis, that we can see here. Okay, that is the result here. The next situation we want to discuss here, that is decrease in the price of good one. When price of the good one decreases, and if there is no change in income of the consumer and the price of the good 2, at that time horizontal intercept will shift to outwards. This we can explain with the help of a diagram. Suppose income, that is M, price of the first commodity, that is P1, price of the second commodity, that is P2, then horizontal intercept, that is M by P1, and vertical intercept, that is M by P2. When the price of good one decreases, at that time also there is no change in the income of the consumer, so M. Price of the first commodity, that decreases from P1 to P1 double dash. There is no change in the price of second commodity, so P2. Then here new horizontal intercept, that is M by P1 double dash. New vertical intercept, there is no change, M by P2. This we can explain with the help of a diagram. Here we are drawing. So here the initial horizontal intercept M by P1, that is here. Vertical intercept M by P2, that is here. By joining these 2 points, we will get a line that is known as budget line. Then when the price of good one decreases, at that time P1 will change to P1 double dash. There is no change in income, that is same as M. There is no change in the price of good 2, that is P2. Here horizontal intercept, that will change to M by P1 double dash. There is no change in vertical intercept, that remains fixed as M by P2. Then here when the price of good one decreases while income of the consumer and the price of the good 2 remains as the same, at that time this horizontal intercept, that is M by P1 double dash, that will shift to outward. Why? There is no change in the income of the consumer and the price of the good too. If at that time the price of good one decreases, then consumer can purchase more units of good one. So here horizontal intercept that will shift from m by p1 to m by p1 double dash to outwards or rightwards. Then there is no change in vertical intercept, the same point. Then if we are joining these 2 points, this is our new budgeted line. The initial budget line that represents the equation P1 x1 plus P2 x2 is equal to m. The new budget line that represents the equation P1 double dash x1 plus P2 x2 that is equal to m. So here we can see when the price of good one decreases, the horizontal intercept will shift to outwards around the y-axis. Okay, then we can explain this with the help of an example. Here m is equal to or income of the consumer, that is equal to 20, suppose 10 here, P2 is equal to 5, m by P1, then m by P1, 20 by 10, that is 2 here, m by P2, 20 by 5, that is 4 here. Okay, then we want to represent here decrease in the price of good one. At that time there is no change in the price of income of the consumer, that is M20. P1 that will change to P1 double dash. That means price of the first commodity that is decreasing from 10 to 5. Okay, there is no change in the price of good to P2 is equal to 5. And what is horizontal intercept? M by P1 double dash here, that is 20 by 5 is equal to 4. What is M by P2 here? No change. M 20 by P2 5 here, that is 4. This we can represent by drawing a diagram. X-axis we are representing wood 1 or bananas, y-axis we are representing wood 2 or mangoes. Here mangoes, here bananas. Then we can mark here what is horizontal intercept here, m by P1, 20 by 10, that is 2. We can mark here 2. Vertical intercept, that is m by P2, 20 by 5, that is 4. By joining these points we will get a line, that is budget line. This budget line represents the equation 10x1 plus 5x2 is equal to m. What is m there? 20. This is the initial case. Then here you can see here price of the first commodity decreases from 10 to 5. At that time horizontal intercept, that is changing from 2 to 4. Then what is the horizontal intercept here? That is m by p1 double dash. M 20, p1 double dash 5. Then the new horizontal intercept, that is 4 here. So we can mark here. M by p2, vertical intercept. There is no change in the income of the consumer and price of the good too. So here also same 20 by 5, that is equal to 4 here. Okay. So there is no change in the vertical intercept. Horizontal intercept changing from 2 to 4. Then by joining these 2 points, we will get a new line, that is our new budgeted line. Okay, this budget line represents the equation, that is 5x1 plus 5x2 is equal to 20. Then what is the change here? When price of the good one decreases, at that time horizontal intercept will shift to rightwards or outwards around the y-axis.